Why don't you go crawl to Daddy?
Yeah.
Why don't you come over here and get this? Whoops, none of these shake. This one does. Look at this one.
This?
Look at that.
This?
Come here, Pumpkin. Come here.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Where are you going? You going exploring? Bye-bye. Can you get over that entryway? Bye-bye, Miss Adventure. Now we're swimming across the Atlantic. Jamie! Jamie! Wow. Hello, we're back here. Party's in here. Hi!
Are you gonna come back here?
Hi! Hi,
Are you gonna come back here?
Jamie! Come here, Bug. Come here. Spin around and come back. The party's in here.
She's so cute right now.
Yeah. Are you swimming? Harder to crawl on that wood, isn't it? You're just going to use your upper body strength. Come back in. Party's in here. Bye-bye. Back it up. Back it up. Beep, 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 beep.
It's having difficulty focusing on her.
Are you swimming now? Are you swimming? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Go seek out your independence. Hi. Hi, Jamie. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.